Hello everyone, this is Babita. Welcome back to my channel Become Excellent in English. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you about 7-week challenge for English fluency. Guys, are you ready to know about 7-week challenge for English fluency? Then you watch this video till the end, because in this video, I will explain 7-week challenge for English fluency very easily and very clearly. And in this video I will tell about how to use and follow them regular. Well, watch this video till the end. Without further delay, let's begin the video. Guys, as you heard, 7-week challenge for English fluency. Yes, you heard absolutely right. But guys, how to work on these 7-week challenge for English fluency? It's very necessary to know. Yes, here I would like to tell you these 7-week challenge for English fluency are different, and these are a type of task, and here you must know how to use and follow them regular. Well, and it's very necessary to do 7-week challenge for English fluency. Let's see what are 7-week challenge for English fluency. Challenge week number 1 is that listening. You only have to listen English for 20 or 25 minutes every day for a week, not more than that, because here you have to listen English every day, not just one day. Well, and here you are developing the habit of listening English. That's why I am telling you, you must listen English every day for a week, and it's your compulsion. You will have to do regular. And as you know that there are many materials in English. There are many materials in English as English songs, English podcasts, English news channels, English speeches. Means there are many things in English. But guys, it's up to you what you prefer. Nobody can speak English without listening. Listening is the first step to speak English, to improve English speaking. That's why everyone follows this way, and this is the first step. Guys, here, why am I focusing you to listen anything in English every day for a week? Because listening is the first step to improve your English speaking or to speak English. And this is the most important step of all the steps, and it has lots of power, and it plays a very important role in English improving or English speaking. That's why everyone does this, because this is the first step. So you can't speak English without listening. That's why you have to listen English. You cannot make excuses in listening English. It's your compulsion. Well, and here I would like to tell you, you have to listen English 20 or 24 minutes every day, not more than that, because it's your work. You have to do regular, not one day. Well, first of all, you train your mind to listen in English, then you will able to think in English, and then you will able to listen English very well. Guys, your mind concentration is most important in listening. That's why if you do not control your mind before listening English or anything, you can't speak English well, and you can't speak English very well. It's more important. You have to follow this step very clearly and very easily and with concentration. You have to follow, and you only have to follow for a week, because it's your first week challenge. That's why you should follow. It's very necessary what you listen in English. Well, I hope you understood my first step means my first challenge week. And second challenge week is think. Think means sochna. Here I would like to tell you, you only have to think in English. You have to think in English 24 hours for a week. You can't do anything except think, because thinking is also the second week challenge, and it has also a lots of power. You can't speak English without thinking. No one can speak English without thinking. That's why everyone does follow this step, and no one can speak English without thinking. First you train your mind and then you try to think in English. It does not matter what you listen in English. There are many things in English. You have to think English words in English, not Hindi words in Hindi. Here, I would like to tell you, you only have to think in English for 24 hours for a week. And there are many things surrounding you. It's up to you. How do you think in English? I hope you understood very well about this second week challenge. And the third week challenge is understand. Understand means samajhna. Here I would like to tell you, no one can speak English without understanding. You can't speak English without understanding. Understanding is also the third week challenge and the third step to speak English and to improve your English speaking and to improve your English fluency. You only have to understand in English 24 hours for a week. You don't have to do anything except understanding, because understanding has a lots of power. It can improve your English fluency very well. That's why you must follow understanding means 3 challenge week. Well, if you contemplate in English, you will definitely understand in English. You don't have to do anything except understanding. You only have to understand in English 24 hours for a week, not more than this week. Well, and the 4 challenge week is practice. Here I would like to tell you, practice means practicing has a lots of power, and it also plays a very important role in English speaking. No one can speak English without practicing, and it is the 4th challenge week, and it can change your English fluency very well. You can practice by writing, by reading, by listening. It's up to you what you prefer, but it's depend on you. It's your choice. First, you can write sentences and then you can recall again and again. It's up to you. If you do this, you will definitely able to improve your English fluency, and you will definitely able to speak English very well. No one will stop you to speak English. It's my challenge. Practice has a lots of power. It can change your life immediately. Well, you only have to practice when you get time, then you try to practice again and again. You do practice regular. You don't give up your practice. If you give up your practice, you will not able to improve your English fluency or English speaking. Well, there are many methods to improve your English fluency by writing, by reading, by speaking. You can do practice with conversation, you can do practice with your friends, you can do practice with your parents, you can do practice by yourself. It's up to you what you prefer. I hope you understood 4th week challenge. And 5th week challenge is practice plus speaking. Well, and you can practice in front of the mirror. There are many methods in practice. It's up to you what you prefer, because these methods has a lots of power. Then you will definitely able to know, wow, how much power in these things, in these practicing. Yes, in these methods, in these techniques, in these styles, in these tips. And 5th week challenge is practice plus speaking. Well, you heard right. Practice plus speaking. Is it possible? Yes. It is absolutely possible. It is 100% possible. Guys, first you do practice, then you try to speak again and again. First you write sentences on the notebook and then you repeat again and again. What is this? What is the meaning of this? And what is the meaning of these sentences? But you only have to do practice in English, not in Hindi. No one can speak English without practice. I also do practice. And you can also do practice. Practice has a lots of power, and practice and speaking both are most important. Practice plus speaking both are most important. Both have a lots of power. Both can change your English fluency very easily. And this 7-week challenge is going for 49 days. Well, and 6-week challenge is vocabulary. Vocabulary means word meaning. Here I would like to suggest you, and here I would like to tell you how to understand English vocabulary. It's very easy how to increase English vocabulary for a week. First of all, I would like to tell you here, there are many things surrounding you. You can learn English vocabulary from the environment, from the things. You can learn English, the things which you have. It's very easy. But how to think in English? You can think this is a copy, this is a house, this is a chair, this is a mango. These are people. These are books. If you think in English, your vocabulary will be increased very easily and very soon. It's very easy. Everyone does this. Guys, apart from this way and apart from this step, there is no any effective and powerful step or way to increase English vocabulary very easily and very clearly and very well. Well, you should learn and you should increase a lots of vocabularies for a week. It's your challenge. Because you are here to improve your English fluency. That's why you need to learn or increase a lots of English vocabularies. But your vocabularies will be different, and your vocabulary will be simple or will be advanced. It's up to you. How do you practice and how do you learn? You can learn 5 or 10 vocabularies in a day, and you do regular to learn English vocabularies for a week. The 7-week challenge is grammar. Guys, here I would like to tell you, if you don't have any idea about grammar, about helping verb, so you need to learn English grammar. So you need to understand English grammar, because English grammar is the most important thing. No one can speak English without grammar. Every language has its own grammar. Well, there are many things in English grammar. There are many knowledge in English grammar. You can learn in English grammar as parts of speech, helping verbs, modal auxiliary verbs. Means there are many things. Tenses, parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech in English grammar: noun, pronoun, adjective, adverbs, preposition, conjunction, interjections. Well, and auxiliary verb, modal auxiliary verb. And tenses, how to use tenses in the sentences, how to frame sentences in English. You need to know grammar. If you don't know anything in grammar, if you don't know how to frame the sentences, how to speak English well, you must focus on English grammar. Well, I hope guys you understood my 7-week challenge very well. If you understood my 7-week challenge for English fluency very well, you don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Thanks for watching my video.